here's a look at this washer lid lock assembly kit right here. Just comes in this cardboard box, and it comes packaged loosely inside. These pieces have a little Ziploc bag that they come inside of. I'll show you a couple of these. But the main switch right there comes loose. There's those pieces. And then the gray one. And then here's a look at this piece. This is all plastic right here. You got your hose, and then you got your cables coming out. You can see right there. There's your connectors. If I can zoom focus on that. There you go. So there's a look at everything that it comes with. Should work well for you.